Hi, my name's Dorrien Allison. I'm a Project Director at ALTEN in the UK. I'm a Project Director in the aerospace sector. I work with two large aerospace companies in the UK, delivering engineering services, so in the systems arena for one and in cost reduction for the other. And my teams are responsible for delivering defined packages of work on quality and on cost to the customer. During the COVID pandemic, I decided to take some time out with my young family and wanted then to get back into the workplace in a role that utilised my skills in the aerospace sector and in project management, but also allowed me flexibility to continue to support my young family whilst succeeding in my career and developing, and I felt like ALTEN had really good growth opportunities for me. I think the reason I became an engineer was to try and make change and physically see something happen with what I did with my career. Making things happen and changing things, I think, is what we want to do as engineers. We want to improve and change things. In the way that we develop our own ways of working and our own services and products to our customers, we're always trying to improve and make change today. So I think that's really what it means to me, is keeping an eye on the future and looking to how we can improve and change how we work. I'm privileged to be able to mentor as well, particularly women in technical roles, and that's something I'm passionate about, to try and pass on, I guess, what I've learned so far and encourage women to know what their options are. I want to make sure that there's visibility of women in senior roles in ALTEN, and that we can encourage more women to see the potential of a career in technical direction. The team are very welcoming and very glad to have more women in technical roles. We know that diversity is a key strength, so actually not just women, any underrepresented group.